So guys, I recorded over the main video, so you've just got the last 7 seconds and me saying something not very good in German. So I'm going to go over it very quickly again. So here, if we go to Term 4, Wochen 6, 7 und 8, Wetterbericht, that's where you will find everything you need. So just go on to there, come on, instructions. Okay, so basically read over what you need to do. You're making a weather report for Sesamstraße, about 6 places in New Zealand. Okay, so what the weather is like, what you do when the weather is like that. So I've got one exemplar here. I'll just present that. So this one's got quite a lot of writing on it. So das Wetterbericht, nice pictures as well. Okay, so heute in Wellington, das Wetter ist sehr windig und kalt. Wenn es windig ist, fliege ich meinen Drachen. Und wenn es kalt ist, trage ich einen Pulli, weil es mich warm hält. Okay, so if you have a look, obviously Wellington is on the map there. It's cold, it's windy. She flies a kite, wears a jumper. Auckland, she goes to the beach and swims, eats a yummy ice cream. It's 27 degrees. And it's fun to go to the beach. It's warm but cloudy. Okay, so you can just look through those. When you're looking at the exemplars, just be aware that there are lots of mistakes on some of them. So you don't want to be copying the whole thing. Here is an audio recording that you can listen to. Now this person has gone over and above the brief. So it's a very high level of German that she's using. You don't need to do that. This person here has no writing on hers apart from the places and the temperatures. Okay, but you can guess what she's saying. She's got the notes underneath, which you don't see when you're presenting. Okay. All right, and here what you've got is a template. If you want to use this, you can. You just make a copy, and you can just add on symbols as and when you need them. Okay. So everybody's got a copy of this. You can use it, or you can just do your own. Yeah. So here are symbols if you need them. Okay. All right. Cool. So I hope that's okay. This is due, as it says, on Friday the 3rd of December. So next Friday, a week tomorrow. Okay. Now, earlier on, everybody said cheers, and we're going to do that again. So guys, everybody, cheers! 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 So ist besser. Right, okay.